Assalamualaikum class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 29th of November 2021 and the day is Monday. So on every Monday class, we have a video lesson. In this lesson, I am going to revise all previous concepts which we have learned in our previous week. Fine? So, in previous week class, we have discussed mixed fraction. We have discussed addition of mixed fraction. Fine. So first of all, we have two fractions. We have two fractions which are mixed. So mixed means this is a fraction in which the first number which is as a whole. Fine. And this is a fraction. It simply means total number of parts is 2 and the number which are occupied as 1, which are used as 1. So in total we will read as 3 1 by 2. This is a whole part and this is a fractional part. Fine. This is a fractional part. Now I am going to solve addition of mixed fraction. I have two fractions. First one is 3 1 by 2. There is a sign of plus. And the next fraction which is mixed 4 1 by 4. Fine. So in very first step we will open it. This is a mixed. So we will open it. अब इसको open करने का क्या way है? जी अब्दुल बासित, you tell me, what is the way to open a mixed fraction? Very good. We will simply multiply the number which is in denominator and we will multiply the denominator with a whole part. So when we will multiply 2 into 3, we have 6. Fine. After we have the result is 6, we will simply add 1 into it. So in next step, the numerator portion is, after solving the whole, we have 7 and denominator will be written as it is. How the 7 will come here? कैसे आएगा उसको हम दोबारा से देख लेते हैं. We have 3 1 by 2 which is a mixed fraction. We will multiply because we will open it. So first of all we will multiply 2 with 3. We have 6 and we will simply add 1 into it, which is a numerator part. Now I will write 7 here and we will write 2 which is a denominator part. Now we will write plus sign 4 into 4. We will open it. Likewise we have done in this part 4 into 4. Yes Abdul Rahman, you tell me 4 times. 4 times. Very good. 4 times is 16 and we will simply add 1 into it. Clear? We will add 1 into it. So in the end, the numerator will become 17. We will multiply 4 into 4 which is 16 and we will add 1 into it which is a fraction involved in it and the numerator portion which having 1. So अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको प्लस करेंगे Now if you look class, we have two fractions here. The first one is 7 by 2 and the next one is 17 by 4. फाइन, एक 7 by 2 है और एक क्या है 17 by 4. Both having denominators are different. एक 2 है और एक क्या है 4 है. So what would we do? As I have told you many times, the thing which is when we have two fractions, we will simply make the denominator same. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will make the denominator same. अब denominator same बनाने के लिए मैं क्या करूँगी? In first fraction we have denominator 2 and in next fraction we have denominator 4. So I will make 2 to 4 by multiplying by 2. मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी डिनोमिनेटर में 2 के साथ और वो क्या बन जाएगा 4. ठीक है, now I will multiply by 2. The same number I will multiply in numerator. Fine. Now 17 by 4 I will write as it is because we will not change denominator. वो तो already 4 है और हमने यहाँ 4 बनाना था. So we will only change the denominator which is at first place. Fine. Now अब यहाँ पे here if you look here, we will multiply by 2 to get 4 in denominator and we will also multiply numerator as well. It is a rule of equivalent fraction. When we will multiply the number in denominator to make denominator same, we will also multiply the number which we will multiply in denominator. ठीक है, जो हम नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसी सेम नंबर के साथ हम ऊपर भी करते हैं. दिस इज द रूल ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. फाइन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल बिकम 14 by 4 plus sign, then we have 17 by 4. Clear? As you look class, we have same denominator. So I will write only one time and simply add the numerators which are 14 plus 17. Fine? 14 plus 17. Now I will add it. 14 into 17. I will write first of all in vertical form. 4 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So upper here we have 1 and down we have 1. So 4 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. There is a 2-digit number. So I will write the number which is at right side and I will write the number which is at left side is 1 as a carry on the next number. Fine. Now I will simply add this whole side which is 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 31 by 4. Fine. 31 by 4. Now class in the end we will simply divide it. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम उसको divide करेंगे because we want to write this number in mixed form. अब ये cut हो सकते हैं? Should it cut it? No, because as you look in denominator we have 4. ठीक है? Which is even number. And in numerator we have a number which is at unit place is 1. Unit place पे क्या है? 1 है. तो क्या हम इसको divide कर सकते हैं? No. It is compulsory that both numbers having same, it is compulsory that for even numbers we have the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. बट अब 1 है हमारे पास न्यूमिनेटर में, वी विल सिंपली डिवाइड इट. ठीक है, अब हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. So the number which are present in numerator we will write inside the division, which is 31, and we will write the number which is in denominator outside the division. For how many times I will multiply 4 to get the nearest number of 31? So for this I will read the table of 4. Yes, Abdullah, you tell me by how many times I will multiply by 4? Very good. 4 8 times 32, which is greater than 31. So I will not take it. Fine. So I will multiply 4 to get by 7. So 4 into 7 is 28. Fine. So I will write here 7. 4 7 times 28. As you look class, we have a number at here we have a number which is 1, and down we have a number which is 8. So 1 is smaller than 8, and it is the rule of division, we will subtract it. है ना, हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो 1 में से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकते हैं. इज इट पॉसिबल टू सब्ट्रैक्ट स्मॉलर फ्रॉम बिगर? नो, वी कांट सॉल्व इट. सो वी विल टेक सिंपली a carry from the next number, and this number will become 2 digit, which is 11. So 11 minus 8, what we have in the end is, very good, 11 minus 8 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now this is the way to write. We will shift this 4 here, this 3 there, and this 7 there. So the next fraction in the end will become 4, 3 and 7. So 7 3 by 4 is the answer. We will read as 7 3 by 4. So class, this is all which is related to addition of mixed fraction. ठीक है? Now in this class, in this lesson, we also discussed subtraction involving mixed fraction. Now let's take one example of it. Subtraction involving fractions. Involving mixed fraction. We have the first mixed fraction is 6 1 by 2. 6 1 by 2 minus 4 1 by 8. 4 1 by 8. To read a mixed fraction class, we will read as 6, which is a whole part, and 1 by 2, which is a fractional part. So in a combined form, we will read as 6 1 by 2. Fine. So first of all, we will open it, both fractions. Now what is the criteria to open it? We will simply multiply the denominator part with the whole number. So what we have after multiplication? Yes, Arham, you tell me. 6 into 2 is? Very good. 6 2 times 12. After multiplication, we will add the number which is present in numerator part. So 12 plus 1 is 13. I will write 13 in numerator portion, and the denominator will be written as it is, which have already in denominator. ठीक है? Now there is a sign which is minus. In between I will write like this. Now I will solve. I am going to solve this mixed fraction 8 4 times. Very good. 8 4 times is 32, and I will add 1 into it to get numerator part. ठीक है? अब मुझे न्यूमिनेटर पोर्शन चाहिए था. क्या करूंगी मैं? What would I do? I will multiply this whole part by 8 to get numerator part, but there is one still. We will add it. We will add in it. So 32 plus 1 is 33, and we will write 8 in the end. Am I clear? Now, as you look class, we have two fractions here. The first one is 13 by 2 and the next one is 33 by 8. And in both fractions we have denominators are different. हमारे पास दोनों जो डिनोमिनेटर हैं वो क्या हैं? डिफरेंट हैं. सो व्हाट वुड वी डू? अब हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल मेक डिनोमिनेटर सेम. ठीक है? सो शुड आई मेक 2 to 8? क्या मैं बना सकती हूँ 8 2 को 8? Yes, I will choose the smaller denominator. ठीक है? और जो हमारे दूसरे फ्रैक्शन में इन्वॉल्व होगा डिनोमिनेटर, उसको हम बनाएंगे. वी विल मेक द अदर वन. So it is very easy to make 2 to 8. We will simply multiply by 4 in denominator. Now I am going to do it. I will multiply 2 by 4. The same number I will multiply in numerator because this is the rule of equaling fraction. ठीक है? Now 33 by 8. Am I clear? Now 2 into 4 is 8, minus sign 33 by 8 as it is. I will multiply 13 into 4 to get numerator part. Fine? So I will multiply 13 by 4. 4 3 times 12, 2 digit number. I will write 2 which is at right side and 1 as a carry. 4 1 times 4 and 5 as it is. So 52 I will write in numerator. I will write in numerator. Now class, as you look, we have two fractions in the end and having denominators are same. अब उनके denominator जो है वो दोनों 8 बन गए. So in next step we will simply write only one time and subtract the numerator numbers which are 52 minus 33. So after subtraction 52 into 33, should I subtract 2 from 3? Is it possible? No, this is smaller and this is greater. So I will take 1 as a carry to the next number and this number will become 2 digit which is 12. So class, this will become 2 digit number which is 12. After subtracting 12 into 3 we have 9 in the end. Okay? And a number which is left here is 4. We will subtract it which is 4 minus 3 which is 1. So in the end we have 19 by 8. So class, we have a fraction in the end is 19 by 8. Should it cut on the same table? क्या ये दोनों हो सकते हैं? No, because in denominator we have 8 which unit place is even. ठीक है? और in numerator we have 9 in unit place. So it is not possible. So we will divide it. I will write 19 in inner part which represents as dividend. Okay, न्यूमरेटर को हम हमेशा कहाँ रखते हैं? We will always placed inside the division, which represents as dividend, and 8 will be in divisor. So I will read the table of 8 to get the nearest number of 19. So what would I do? I will simply multiply by 8 to get nearest number of 19. So as you know class, 8 2 times 16 and 8 3 times 24. We will not take 24 because 24 is greater than 19. So I will take 2 times of 8 which is 16. In the end I have 3. Fine. 9 में से 6 हम जो है जब माइनस करेंगे तो 3 आ जाएगा. Now we will shift the numbers 8 here, 3 there and 2 is at divisor. So the next fraction in the end will become is 8, 3 and 2. 2, 3 by 8. Fine. So this is how we can solve subtraction involving mixed fraction. You have to practice its related question in your notebook. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.